Today I am going to make this beautiful oya. This is also called carnation oya flower or beaded oya. For this you need 76 small beads of same color and 10 beads with different color. You can use any kind of combination. For this project I use sky blue and white, and you need 1 mm hook, crochet hook, and the silk thread. What you have to do, just refer my last video in which I have taught how to string very small beads in the crochet thread. What I did, if you want to just make one oya for earring, so you have to just put 76 beads of one color and 10 beads with different color. Just make the combination of it. How many oya you want to make it, just make the sequence of it, like 76 one color, 10 with another contrast color. Just make it like this. Just go to the sequence. At the end, this blue color or this color must be 10 beads come at the end. Before starting my project, I want to explain it how to make perfectly. How to make it perfectly. For making it nicely, just make chain 30. See, here I have made chain 30. I made it very tight, so it is looking really perfect and beautiful. And look on the other side, I made mistake. What I did, I made it very loosely, so it will look very ugly and this project won't look perfect. For making it perfect, whenever you make long chain like this, just make it very tight to look neat and tidy. For starting this project, you need to make one slip knot, you can make earrings with this oya, or you can just make necklace, or you can attach it in your scarf or in your dress or on your edging. Just make chain 30. Try to make it very tight chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 chains बनाएं. After making 30 chain, just slip your blue beads at the end of this and make the loop with these 10 beads. How to make the loop? Just pass your beads and grab the yarn or thread and make one chain, or you can just make slip stitch. They are just locked. After doing this, make 7 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like this. Chain 30, make the loop of 10 beads, then again make chain 7 Start counting your beads from this side. 1 2 3 4 5. Go to the fifth. You have to make one single crochet between the 5 and 6, fifth and sixth bead. Put your hook between them and make one single crochet. Once you learn this, you'll keep on making it and you'll love to make this project. After doing this, you just made one single crochet between fifth and sixth bead, so it will come exactly in the center. Now you have to make loop of 4 beads on the top of it. Pass the 4 beads. Like this. See the 4 beads. You have to secure 4 beads with the help of single crochet. What we do for securing, we make chain or we make slip stitch, but here we have to make single crochet. चार बीट्स का लूप बनाएं और सिंगल क्रोशे के ज़रिए से सिक्योर करें. This is the first. You have to do same process 4 times here only on the same place. Just slip the 4 beads again. One, two, three, four. 4 beads. Secure it with single crochet like this. 4 beads, 4 beads. Secure it with single crochet. This is 2 loops. 2 more loops we have to make here only. दो लूप हो गए हैं. थर्ड लूप बनाने जा रहे हैं वहीं पर और सिंगल क्रोशे के ज़रिए उसे सिक्योर करेंगे. दिस इज़ द थर्ड लूप. आई एम गोइंग टू सिक्योर इट. Like this. 3 loops. Now last 4. Take 4 more beads and make the loop of 4 beads. Secure it here only with single crochet. We have just completed 4 beads, 4 loops of 4 beads. You have secured them with single crochet. After doing this, second step would be just make chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chain 7 बनाए. You have to make single crochet here after this last bead. Just go here and make one single crochet. You just made chain 7 loop. लास्ट बिट के पास जाके सिंगल क्रोशे बना के उसे सिक्योर करते हैं like this. Again look the pattern. What we did, we made chain 10 loop, then at the end we made chain 7. We reached here and made single crochet and we made 4 loops with 4 beads in each. At the end we made again chain 7 and we have connected it with the help of single crochet at the end of the last bead. When you reach here, you have to work 7 double crochet on this loop. For making 7 double crochet, just make chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work and make 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. हम चेन 3 बना के ये चेन 7 स्पेस में 7 डबल क्रोशे बना रहे. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to make chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you will make single crochet between these 4 beads. Here this is the first loop. You have to make one single crochet in the center of this 4 beaded loop. You have to leave 2 beads here and 2 beads here on this side and this side. Just go on the center, and here you have to make single crochet. Now you just made single crochet. Now you have to pass 5 beads. Previously you made loop of 4 bead. Now make loop of 5 beads, and on the top of every 4 beaded loop you have to make 3 set of 5 beaded loop. Here make the 5 bead loop 3 times. Here also 3 times, 3 times, and 3 times. And your work here. Look here. Count your bead. 4, 5. Just pass it. Reach here. This is the 5 bead loop. For securing it, what I am going to do is make the single crochet. This is the first loop. Now pass again 5 beads. 5 बीट का लूप बनाए जो 4 बीट के पहले लूप थे उसके ऊपर, और सिंगल क्रोशे से सिक्योर करें. This is the second loop of the 5 beads. Now I'll make third one. Three, 4, 5. This is the third loop with 5 beads. Look how it would look. 3 loops of the 5 bead. It is in between this 4 beaded loop. Again, what you have to do now, reach to the second loop that was made with 4 bead. Just go to the center. 2 bead will come on the one side and 2 bead will go on the another side. Just make one single crochet first, just to secure it. Like this. Again Pass the 5 beads. 3, 4, 5. 5 बीट का वापस से लूप बना है, 3 बार बनाना है हमें. This 3 and 5. This was 6, so I'm just taking it out. 1, I'm just taking it out. This is the first 5 beaded loop on the top of second loop. 1, again 5 beads. Pass the 5 bead and secure it on the top of it with the help of single crochet. Single crochet बना के secure करें. Again 5 beads. यहीं पर सिक्योर करें. सिक्योर इट. Yes. Now we did it on the second loop also, so go on the third loop, 4 beaded loop. Just make the single crochet here also. Now you have to make 3 loops of 5 bead on this also. 3, 4, 5. Pass the 5 beads, go under this, grab the thread, make single crochet. सिंगल क्रोशे बनाए इसके नीचे. Again for making the third 5 beaded loop, take again 5 beads, go under this thread, center thread, wrap your thread, make single crochet. This is third, so only one loop is remaining. Go to the last loop, do the same process, make the single crochet, pass the 5 beads, three, 4, 5. Now make the loop of 5 beads, make one single crochet, secure it. Again set of 5 beads, make another loop in the same place only, secure it with single crochet, last one. secure it with single crochet. Now you made 3 loops over the last loop. After doing this, make chain 3, 1, 2, 3. After making chain 3, just open it. We have to secure it between 2 beads. Yeah. After making this last single crochet, just make chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we have this chain 7 loop. You have to make 7 double crochet in this loop and come at the end. One, two, three, 4. ये चेन 7 स्पेस में हम 7 डबल क्रोशे बना रहे हैं चेन 3 बनाकर. 5, 6, 7. At the end, make chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Secure it in here with the help of one single crochet. Like this. Now you have to make 3 single crochet over this chain 30. Just go behind like this. Make 1, 2, 3. You made 3 single crochet over this chain 30. Again you can make chain 30 and just repeat the same process for making more oyas. 1. Try to make chain 30 very tight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We have just finished carnation oya. Look how beautiful it can look. It has two sides. One is without single crochet border, and look, another side you'll get this type of single crochet border. Whichever side you like, you can use it. You can make earrings, necklaces, or attach to your scarf. I hope you like it. Once you learn these steps, you'll start making it again and again, and you don't need to remember the steps. It's so easy. You have to just make it once, then you'll learn how to make it. After that, you'll feel it is really easy. And see the difference with this oya. These chains are tied, and here this chain is loose. So the project will not look good if you make very loose chain. Try to make it very tight, this dangling one. You can directly attach this end before starting your project, directly to just attach this with the help of slip knot to your scarf or to your dress or project. Then start making chain 30 and repeat the same process. After making chain 30 again, just connect it to the another end of this scarf like this. This is the one corner of this scarf. Just attach with the slip, attach your thread with the slip stitch or slip knot over here, and just start making 30 chains from here, and again make the oya and connect it like this. You can do it, and it will really look good. If you really like my tutorial, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.